this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from South Korea. This is YouUs GS Retail Premium. And I don't know what the first couple words are going to be, but basically this is an extremely spicy jjamppong, which is a seafood kind of stew thing going on. So let's dispense with the pleasantries. This goes on at the end. And then here's what we got here. So check this out. So this one has one of these really groovy freeze-dried blocks. And I want to show you what happens when you put the stuff over it. Let's put the powder in first. Of course it has a bright red, I'm guessing. I'm gonna open it up. How do I know if it's bright red? It's Korean, it'll be bright red. Everything in Korea is bright red. See? Ooh, that smells like seafood and spicy. And then here, make sure you can see that. This is a freeze-dried block. Let me put it right. Come on. There we go. Now we'll add water to the line. Hopefully without boiling myself. Four minutes. Yeah, see what it does? It just like almost immediately starts doing its due. Yeah, look at that. That's where all our seafoody fun is at. Let's let this be. And so yeah, my wife's in California, and I've had a lot of time with the kids, hanging out, doing stuff, and I started just like I got an inspiration to work on my video game cabinet. So I'll show you what I've done. Probably like, really? That's your inspiration. So I got a volume control that was behind the cabinet, and now I have it Gorilla Glued on top, and it seems to work really well there. And I use a C-clamp and a little bit of Gorilla Glue to clamp it up there. But what I want to do is I want to get this thing, whoa, all figured out, and then I've got like a big glass pane that I can put up here, because you know this looks kind of cheesy, but I want to cut the sides off and make it look all fancy. I figure what I'll do, honestly, is I'll cut it. I'll probably do a crappy job of it, but then I can measure it, and I can take those measurements, go into a place, and have them cut a mat that'll fit that spot really well, and then hopefully it's not an expensive endeavor. I got the cabinet for free off of local Buy Nothing group, which was nice. Even came with a little Lenovo laptop. And what else? Oh, our anniversary, our 13th wedding anniversary is on the 6th. This is the 3rd. Almost everything will show up on the 5th. The rest of it will show up on the 6th. That should work out fine though. And for the 13th wedding anniversary, what is it? The color white, citrine, lace, and there was something else. So I got her some like ridiculous socks that are all like lace and stuff. I'm like, I don't know if she's even gonna wear these. So I got her those, and I got her some nice socks. Oh wait, did I? I don't remember. I'll have to look. Socks come quick. Because she really likes nice socks. And a couple pairs of earrings. And I got something else. But it was just like all of a sudden I had the inspiration. Oh, dude, this is the perfect time. She's not around. She's not going to be seeing your phone or nothing. Not that she like sits there and like watches what I'm doing on my phone, but yeah, I just figured. I asked her a couple times, is there anything you'd like for our anniversary? Crickets. So she's a Giants fan, and she really likes Hello Kitty, but the Hello Kitty Giants Day hasn't happened as of yet. Oh, and Mimi likes Hello Kitty. All right, now we put in our Earl. It worked. Look at that. Whee! Yeah, the children are doing art this morning. That's cool. We went on a walk last night to the local park, and that was nice. We went in the evening. Got bitten by bugs, but it was really nice. Almost like the whole little forest area was like glowing. Might do that again tonight. I don't know. We'll see what's going on. Simmer down over there. I'm doing my work. Ew. Noodle. A little spongy. Could use a little more time. Ooh, that is spicy. Let's, well, you can see it's a colorful broth. That is spicy. All right, let's begin with the seafood onslaught. Shrimp. A fishy ball. Yeah. And we got some one, two, kamaboko. Okay. Table. Yeah. No. It's not bad. It's not as smoky as I like it usually. I really like it to have a nice smoky tone. Yeah, I'm not getting that out of this so much. I don't want you buried in noodles. I don't know, Narutomaki too much? I think it is. I'm gonna skip on that. So we will add in some spring onion. No baby talk, Mimi. You're a big girl. Right? Right. That is correct, ma'am. Then we got some crushed red pepper. Oh. There we go. Okie dokie. Well, the next one we've got is another one from a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Maro-shan Toyo Suisan Ore no Shio Yakisoba. Only takes 1 minute. Look at that. That's quick. So I'm guessing the next review will be rather short. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.